Hi everyone, welcome to Helpful Solutions. In today's video, we'll talk about how to fix FL Studio No Sound, a quick and reliable guide. Number 1. Select the correct audio driver. Navigate to Options, Audio Settings. Under Device, choose FL Studio ASIO or Direct Sound. If using ASIO for all, ensure it's properly configured. Number 2. Disable Auto Close. In Audio Settings, uncheck Auto Close to prevent FL Studio from releasing the audio device when not in focus. Number 3. Verify mixer routing. Ensure all channels are routed to the master track and not muted. Number 4. Check Windows sound settings. Right click the speaker icon in the system tray and select Sounds. Under the Playback tab, ensure your output device is enabled and set as default. Number 5. Restart FL Studio and computer. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve audio issues. Thanks for watching.